Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to get money heist filter on the Instagram. So if you are looking for how you can get the money heist filter on the Instagram, because remaining part of the season 5 is coming soon, so how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to click on the your story on the left top. Okay, once you will click on it, here you will see multiple filters, so you have to swipe to the left this filter and click on the search filter. And now you have to click on the search bar and you have to search for the money heist and click on the search button. And here you will see different, select any filter from here and enjoy it. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.